Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can bulk accept your friend request on Facebook. So this is just for a tutorial purpose or to improve your productivity. So in order to do that, we will use a Chrome extension. So let's get started. So go to this website and click on download for Chrome, or you can go to GitHub to see the source code. Now you have a zip file and you can unzip it easily. Now after unzipping it, let's see how it looks like. So after unzipping it, you have a lot of items here. So what we are interested in mainly is FB extension. So click here and what we have to do, we have to go to extensions. If you don't know how to go there, just click here on Chrome, extensions, manage extensions, and you will have the options here. So in order to use these type of extensions, just enable developer mode and let's click on load unpacked. So after clicking load unpacked, you will have to find out the folder, unzipped folder, and click here on the subfolder. So you will find this one and click here, and in this subfolder we see FB extension. So click here and select folder. Now you can see the folder and the extension is uploaded. So here it is, FB Friend Manager Pro. Now in order to quick access it, click here and pin the extension. Now let's go to Facebook and just refresh the page for once. Now click here. Now as you may know that Facebook actually changes its DOM classes or DOM identifiers frequently. So I have a different plan for this plugin. So if you come over selectors and if you click accept request button, since we are working with the accept request, so let's click pick and then click on the button, accept button, any one of these. So let's click on the blue button, not the confirm text, just the blue button. Click here and you'll see use this selector. So we are telling this extension that yes, this is the accept request button selector. So let's say use selector and you have 30 matches. So if you have multiple, let's say if you have hundreds of requests, but Facebook will see, or this plugin will show you the loaded until now request or the buttons. Okay, so let's click use this selector here and our selector is recorded. So now let's go to the plugin again and click bulk accept requests. Let's click run and you can see immediately and something is happening here. Okay, so it's running and 1, 2 and others are running actually. So now let's go to logs, or we can see here again the accepted requests are 3, and to prove it properly you can take a look here. Let's go from one after another. So I'm not doing anything, the mouse cursor is here and it will be automatically accepted. Also you will see a small notifications here that 5 requests are being accepted and it's 6 now. So it will be continued until it's finished up to 30 matches. Okay, so now I have another things to show you for this plugin, or sorry, for this extension, which is the settings. This is actually a great option for the persons who actually will be using this extension more frequently. So it says you can limit it 20 or 30 or any numbers to protect your ID from getting banned or getting any type of warning. And the another magical thing is that you can set delays, specifically delay range. So in between 3 to 12, the delay range will increase and decrease. So the accepting delay is randomized so that the Facebook DOM doesn't feel it suspicious or doesn't seem that bot is doing this whole thing. And also you have another options that auto pause on captcha. So if there is something on your Facebook and some sort of captcha appears, the extension will immediately stop. And then after that, auto pause on warning and other options, random scroll between actions. So it will randomly scroll. So this is how you can use this plugin to automate accepting your friend request. And this is not the only thing this plugin can do. Actually, you can see that we have other options to do with these plugins. Like you can send bulk requests. Let's say, for example, you have people you may know and you can select one of the selectors like this one and click run and you're good to go. And similar for the auto withdrawal sent. Let's say you don't wanna accept some of the friend requests. So again, similar to that one, just click on the selector or the button and then automate very easily. So thank you. I hope you like this video and like this plugin. And if you face any trouble, please let me know here or in GitHub repository, or if you're watching it from LinkedIn, please comment below. Thank you.